Hi, just wonder if anyone's used these DVDs before. Aone Plus, 8.5 GB. I bought them a couple of months ago and they're absolutely useless. First the thing came like that, so that's a bit broken. But I tried burning those onto these and I keep getting fouled every time. If I try to put movies on there, I'll get one movie, but then the next one will just fail. So I really don't know what's wrong with them. I tried them on my laptop here. And they fail on this. And I just installed a new DVD drive and they also fail on this as well, and I'll show you what I mean. I burnt this one today. So if I put it in the PC, some videos will play on here, but not all of them. And this is what they come out like. It seems to wait. I've got to put another DVD drive in here.
There's always a festival going on somewhere in India. Quite frankly, I could do with a bit of amnesia.
And when I go to open folder, some videos will play. Like that one. And when I try to play these, it just does this. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe I'm burning them wrong. Don't know what I've done. But they're just doing that. And I've had this with over 30 discs now. Whereas that one does play. Other discs I've tried have been fine. It's just these DVDs that I've had problems with.